it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you are here. Please click on the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Be part of the family and help me reach my goal of getting my first 1,000 subscribers. Let's get started. For my recipe, I'm gonna use some asparagus, carrot, a little bit of butter, salt, dill, parsley, black pepper, paprika, some olive oil, and garlic. Lime. I'm not really a big fan of lemon. I don't know why. I barely use lemon. I like lime better. And of course, you will need your salmon fillet. I love skin on salmon. I just love it. See how beautiful that is. It's so pretty. I just love it. Olive oil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. Next, I'm gonna add my black pepper. Next, I'm gonna add my paprika, parsley, dill. So I decided to make this in the air fryer, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this into 3 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps on the back. Then rub these, make sure the seasoning get into every part of the salmon. You want that salmon to be well seasoned. You don't want your salmon to be boring. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this. I'm gonna put this in my fridge and let it sit to marinate at least 10 to 15 minutes. And while that is happening, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my wash my asparagus and season it with salt, black pepper, as well as my carrot. So I lined up my air fryer with aluminum foil so that it can keep that juice and I can use that juice. So I'm just gonna take my vegetables and just put it at the bottom. So it's been about 12 minutes that I've had this in my fridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that on top of my vegetables. Place some butter on top, lime. I have it set up at 360. I'm gonna turn it on for about 15 minutes, but I'm gonna check it after about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna just check it. We're gonna check on our salmon. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that looks. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. You don't want to overcook your salmon. Oh, you don't want to break it. Don't want to break it. Don't want to break it. Be careful when you remove it because you don't want it to break. That's what our salmon looks like for now. Do you see that juice? We're gonna use that juice. I'm gonna add some butter into this pan. Pour all this juice into the butter. If you like your vegetables crunchy, you can go ahead and just keep it and eat it this way. I like mine softer, so I'm gonna put this back into the air fryer and cook it while I'm finishing this sauce. I'm gonna add some garlic, black pepper, salt to taste, of course, paprika, So we're just gonna let this cook while the vegetables are cooking. I'm gonna start by using this mayo just to decorate the plate. If you haven't watched my video on how I got this mayo, please go ahead and watch that. I'm gonna link below the video on how I made this mayo for salad.